Hey, I'm Monica from DAT Solutions, here to show you how to find and sort power-only loads on the DAT load boards. I will be working in TruckersEdge Pro for this demonstration, so if you see any features that you want but don't currently have access to, you'll want to check out the description below where I've placed a link to that product. Let's get started. Sorting for power-only loads is actually pretty simple.
But there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind when looking at results. To run a search for power only, click Search Loads, then input your origin and destinations, deadhead, whether you are looking for a full load, partial load, or both, and the dates you are searching for loads. When inputting equipment type, you will need to check Specific to find the power only option in the drop-down menu, and you do not need to input length or weight. You will click on Search to generate a list of results.
There are several types of power-only loads. A pick and drop is a loaded trailer that you simply pick up and drop off. A tow-away is an empty trailer that you cannot load. And a load out is an empty trailer that you typically have use of for a period of time and you can book other loads with. When sorting through your results, there are a couple of things that will help you to identify what types of loads you are looking at. The first one is weight. You will notice there are a lot of loads listed at 10,000 pounds. Well, 10,000 pounds is the weight of an empty trailer, so these results are most likely a load out or a tow away. If a full weight is listed, it is most likely a pick and drop. The second thing that you're going to want to look at is the comment section. On power-only loads, brokers typically
note whether it is a load out or tow away in the comments section of the posting. You simply click on the listing to see the match detail panel where that information is found. On this particular listing, you can see this freight is listed as a load out and you have use of the trailer for 7 days. But this listing has 40,000 pounds and preloaded flatbed listed in the comments, so it's probably a pick and drop. And this listing has 42,000 pounds and nothing listed in the comments, so it's possibly a pick and drop as well.
Of course, you'll want to call the broker to understand complete details for that load.
You can also use the DAT directory to vet and find new business partners and find our help center by clicking the question mark on the top of the page.
That rounds out how to find and sort freight for power only. If this video helps you, be sure to give us a thumbs up and check out the description below for links to our products and other social media channels. But for the really fun stuff like exclusive DAT deals, user-generated content, tips, tricks, and more, be sure that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Once again, I'm Monica from DAT Solutions, and I'll see you soon.